What's going on, fam? It's your boy Slev, and today we finally have it. We finally have it. I present to you the Book of Shadows Tarot. Let me put to the side. There we go. Okay, guys. So wherever you are out there in the world, I hope you're having a blessed day, morning, afternoon, evening, night. Let's get on with it. I am super excited to open this bad boy up. Got our handy dandy X-Acto knife here. Push that to the side. So this is the back. Okay. Let me zoom out just a smidge here. Well, you know what? Yeah, I'll zoom out just a smidge. Can I zoom out? No, I can't. Oh shit. I'm already as far as I can go. But I'll put it this way so that way you guys can see it. You're going to see the camera down below, but oh well. Alright, so here we go. I can't express how excited I am right now. I know it might not look it, but it's because it's late. It's like, come on, wake up. It's 1:22 in the morning. Alright. Just gonna slide this across if I can really fast. Guess not. Okay. And now this side right here. The box came damaged somewhat due to shipping, or I guess they gave me a damaged box. But it's all good. This plastic wrap is gonna go anyway. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect it to be this shiny. As usual, just grab it and throw it in the trash. This thing is shiny. I don't want to put my fingerprints on it. So let's just open it up. Ooh. Wow. So there we have it. There is the guidebook. Okay. Full color and everything. It's in English, thank God. Alright, let's put this to the side. As a matter of fact, let's just put this away before I hurt myself. Alright, now on to the cards. Now, I already did an unboxing and first impressions on the regular on the volume 1 Book of Shadows, which is this one. Okay? And I'm going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I want to do the giveaway. Well, I actually wanted to do it around Christmas time, but I didn't. I see that I didn't reach the sub goal, so I'm going to just flat out say it. Once we get to 160 subs, I'll be doing the giveaway. 160. All right. So we've already seen this deck. I'm not too interested in it. It's gonna look the same. I know it looks the same. But this is the one that I'm interested in. I have not checked this one out. Apparently, this is the actual tarot deck. So Volume 2 is the tarot deck, whereas this is like the elemental deck. If that's the best way I could put it. So let's just see here. Handy dandy X-Acto knife here, because they do not have a way to open it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come from the side over here, pop it out, because I want to put the deck back into the plastic so that way it keeps its shape. So let's see, maybe if not, I'll just probably have to, I'll just throw the plastic away. But if I can hold on to it, then that's fine. All right. There we go. Come on. Okay, cool. See? All right, so that's the back. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. I like that. Ooh. Okay, so right off rip, vibrancy. That is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the artwork. It's interesting. I don't know. Let me see something here. Is that... Okay, so she does have two eyes. Okay. Yeah, that is nice. So we have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, Lovers. Okay, give me a quick second here. I don't want to hurt myself. Okay. The Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, the Death. Interesting. Temperance, the Devil. Okay. The Tower, the Stars, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World. Alright, and then we got the regular court cards. The Minor Arcana. Give me a quick second, guys. Let me... Alright, here we go. I'm not even going to say anything. I'm just going to flip through them. Oh, well, I'm going to try to stay quiet. If I like the artwork, I'll say something. Like that, that's cool. That's actually pretty neat. I like that. The Three of Cups or the Chalices. I'm really digging the artwork, guys. Yeah, I'm really digging this artwork. This is some nice work. I thought I wasn't gonna like this deck, but man, this is really good. I like how they're using the gnomes in this. Gives a nice earthy feel. It's really sharp. Okay. Wow, man. This is so freaking cool. I'm really digging the diversity. The artwork, the vibrancy of the colors. Man. Just look at that. And it's got like this, it's got a glossy finish too. So it's really sharp. Oh shit. This is so freaking cool, y'all. Wow. The colors, just like, the colors are tripping me out because this is so freaking good, man. Like, such detailed work. It's, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually one of my favorite decks. I'm not lying. This is really freaking good. There we have it. I'm gonna drop a pin at the top of this corner to the volume 1. Let's see here. How does it shuffle? Oh boy. Now in the volume 1 video, the cards were misproportioned, and these cards right here, I haven't checked those ones out yet, but these are very well proportioned. They're all even with each other. They're all the same size. They're not misshapen. I can't tell which card is which. And they shuffle very well. Let's see, how's the bend? Not too shabby. Not bad at all. Well, there you have it, folks. The Book of Shadows Tarot. As above, so below. This deck, I've been wanting to get this whole box set for quite some time. And, man, it hasn't disappointed me. This is such a great freaking deck. I'm glad I have it. I'm going to go ahead and bless this now. And, yeah, have some fun, play with it for a little bit, you know, get accustomed to the deck, and yeah, this is fun. I really love the artwork on this, just like my most favorite deck of them all. Y'all know which one this is. If you don't, I'm not saying. Go look at my videos. This one's my favorite. This one is becoming one of them, because, and I got a few favorites here, but this is just, I love the artwork. This is just, look at the vibrancy. Like, That shit is amazing. And the attention to detail, like she's looking up. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Freaking dope. Alright, guys. Alright, fine. I'll tell you guys. It's the Light Seers Tarot. There you go. Check out that video. Alright? And let's try to get 160. 160. If we can reach 160 before Christmas, I'm doing the giveaway. If not, we're going to have to wait till next year, which is right around the corner. It's the 19th right now. So, guys, let's get this giveaway out the way. I'm really stoked about it. If we can get 160 subscribers, that'll be awesome. Like, for real, for real. Alright, till next time, folks. Love you guys. Blessed be, fam. Blessed be.